the booze. I got nothing else left to lose, so I'm coming up straight by you. I'm returning the favor, not paying dues. I know you thought I was done, left me for dead while you run. Well, I only have just begun. I'm burning up brighter than the sun, 'cause I'm fearless, fearless, fearless. Yeah, I'm fearless, fearless, fearless. Come on, take this, baby, I'm reckless. Yeah, I'm fearless, and you're never gonna break me, never gonna shake me down.
Happy birthday, Zara. Legal age, welcome to adulthood. My wish for Zara is sana lumaki kang responsible na anak. Huwag mong pasakitin ang ulo nila nanay. Tatay. Okay. Sayang eyelash. Okay. So, ayun. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung life. Huwag kang mapapressure. Huwag kang masyadong ma-pressure sa mga nangyayari sa'yo kasi nandito lang kami, support lang kami para sa'yo. Ayan, happy birthday! Sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw-araw na buhay. Love you!
Happy 18th birthday, anak. Sana sa birthday mo ito ay naiiyak na. Maging masaya ka. Maging masaya ka sa lahat ng bagay, lahat ng gagawin ko para sa inyo, sa inyong tatlong magkakapatid. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, anak. Mahal na mahal ka namin ng mga kapatid mo at ng tatay mo. Sana, anak, lumaki kang mabuting bata at may takot sa Diyos.
We're making the world a better place, one person at a time. Making the world a better place, one day at a time. And it starts right now. Change the world.
Maligayang kaarawan. Ako'y lubos na nasisiyahan at kahit paano nakitaos natin. Ako'y lubos na nasisiyahan at kahit paano nakakita kong magandang yung pag-aaral, kaya kami naman ng mga magulang mo ay pupusili para anong bagay na gusto mo kahit paano binibigyan namin. Sisiyahan ako kung kahit paano sa nakita ko sa inyo magkapatid kakasundo kayo, maganda palakaran nyo. Doon lang, panalo-panalo na kayo. Panalo-panalo na ako.
See a light shine through the leaves, a new spark of new life is on the horizon.
Happy birthday, baby! We love you so much!
We're making the world a better place, one person at a time. Making the world a better place, one day at a time. And it starts right now. It starts right now. It starts right now. Change the world.
Happy birthday, Ate Baby! Mahal ka namin!
Change the world. We're making the world a better place, one person at a time. Making the world a better place, one day at a time. And it starts right now.